Neeraj Chopra's javelin victory delivers India its first Olympic gold medal in track and field. Hester Singer passes after years-long cancer battle. Jason Tatum gives himself Olympic-themed nickname following Team USA's trumped. Alexis Felix become most decorated US track and the field athlete in Olympics history. For more details, subscribe my channel for fast news that will save your time. In athletics, it is the first time we had gold, so it is the proud moment for me and my country. The 23 years old Chopra told reporters, I came from a BFM background, explained Chopra. I was overweight and wanted to some fitness training. India has now taken home 7 medals in total at Tokyo 2020, 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. Nicole Houston singer, known for his work with multiple superstars, has died after a years-long battle with breast cancer. Rest was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2013 as she prepared to tour with Timberlake and Jay-Z. She was little weak, but our quick chat ended the way it's ended to the 8 years. She said, I love you girl, I really do. Knight remembered I was fighting back tears this time and said that I love you girl too. Nikhil Hirsch was 39 years old. After helping the United States out France 87 to 82 and win all in the Tokyo Olympics, Jason Tatum has the one simple request. The Celtic star scored 19 points and added 7 rebounds for the Team USA in the final, hitting 8 of his 14 shots, 3 of 5 3-point, adding a steal. Allyson Felix has become the most decorated USA track and field athlete in Olympics history after helping the team win the women's 400 meters sprint relay on Saturday. I have always had the desire to win. Now it's really about the way that I want to show her how to overcome adversity, she told CNN report ahead of Tokyo 2020. US men win 4 by 400 and Alexis Felix become the most decorated US track athlete.